Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to install WhatsApp in your laptop. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started with the tutorial. Firstly, you need to open the web browser. And when you have opened the web browser, you just need to click on the search bar and type WhatsApp. And when you have written WhatsApp, you just have to click the enter button in your keyboard and it will open the WhatsApp for you. And in this section there is a download option. You can just click here and you can download the WhatsApp. And when you have successfully downloaded WhatsApp in your device, you can just go to the search bar in your laptop and click on the WhatsApp option, or you can just type WhatsApp and it will show up and open the WhatsApp. Alright, so for now I will log out here. So this is the interface that is shown to you when you have newly downloaded the WhatsApp in a laptop, and you can just click on the get started button. And here is the instruction to do the things. You need to open the WhatsApp on your phone, and there is a 3-dot menu. You can just click on that and there will be a link device option. You can just tap on the link device option and link a device. After that, here will be shown a QR code, and through your mobile phone you can just scan the QR code, and then your mobile phone and your laptop will be connected with each other. So this is how you can install WhatsApp in your laptop and use it. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.